TeamFullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to do another swatch for you guys. As you guys have seen on the title of this video, I'm here to do a lip gloss swatch. I picked this lip gloss from the TK Maxx. This is actually my first time trying this brand. This is Mannakadar Beauty. If I'm pronouncing the name incorrectly, please excuse moi. This is it. And you guys can see the price I pick up the lip gloss for. I picked it up for €8.99. Let me just say €9. I picked this one up. I saw this at the TK Maxx, and you guys know I love lip gloss. Lip gloss has been my go-to makeup look right now, except if I'm going somewhere where I feel okay, I want to wear matte lipstick, but most of the time I go for lip gloss. So when I saw this lip gloss, and I thought, you know what, you have 5 different shades in here and they're really beautiful. So I thought, let me come and do swatches for you guys. I've already done my makeup. If you guys have not seen the video where I do this makeup, please go ahead and check that video. I will leave it for you guys here or in the comment box. So let's give this a try. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up if you guys like these videos. It really helps me with my videos. I will highly appreciate it if you can just give it a thumbs up when you watch, and let me know what you think about this lip gloss in the comment box. So let's open this lip gloss. It's actually, sometimes at the TK Maxx, if you're there, you can meet up some really cool product. I saw the last time they had the milk eyeshadow, but I didn't pick it up. Like this brand Milk, they had the milk eyeshadow. They have some essence elves bronzer, but I already have bronzer that I really like. And eyeshadow, I do have a lot of eyeshadows, so right now I'm not really like in the mood of picking up eyeshadows. So these are the shade. They are really beautiful. I'm gonna start from this one till here. I don't know if they have the names on the shade on the packaging. Even though I don't have glasses on, I can't really, I can't see the names. I can't really see. You know what, I'll try and put all the names on the screen whilst I'm swatching this. That's the reason why I'm going to swatch this in order, because I don't have glasses on. If I wear my glasses, the ring light is going to reflect on the glasses. It's not going to be cool. So I'm trying to put all the names for you guys as I'm swatching this. I'm going to do it by order. So this is it. I have nothing on my lip. I just wipe my lip. Normally when I wear lip gloss, I will wear a lip liner, but because this is a video, I'm not going to be wearing any lip liner because I don't want to waste my lip liners. As you guys can see, I love the Kiko lip liner. This is how much remain. I still have 2 as backup. I love this lip liner, so I'm not going to waste it. So I'm gonna keep it. We're just gonna swatch the lip gloss on its own, and then whenever I want to wear it, I'm going to wear it with lip liner. So this color is like a pinkish reddish shade. It's very beautiful, and I love the fact that it has this thing. It smells like candy. It smells so beautiful. So let's try this. Oh, you have to go in. Oh, did that take too much? It's so beautiful. It smells, oh, this is so nice. It smells really beautiful. I love the shade. It's really nice. It smells like candy. It smells like candy. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. It smells like candy. I'm just gonna add a little bit more, even though I'm going to wipe it off. I feel like when you have like your favorite lip liner and then you add this on top, it's gonna be so beautiful. I love this one. It's really nice, and it's just make my lip really look like real soft and real nice. And I love the smell. The smell is very beautiful. So this is what this one look like. It's super cute. I really love it. So now let's try this one. This one looks more like an orange, pink, a little bit of purple. It looks so cute. It's like, I don't know, I'm not really good with shade and like kind of explaining to you guys how the shade looks, but it looks really beautiful. I'm just happy for the fact that they are all lip gloss. I can actually just wear them every single day. I love it. You can wear it without a lip liner, but I would prefer to have a lip liner on. So let's give this a try. Oh, this one smells, all of them smell so sweet. All of the lip gloss smell so beautiful. I just love it. Like, I love the colors. The colors are absolutely beautiful. They are really so cute. They are so cute. For €8, for €9, I love the lip gloss. It's so beautiful. It's so nice, especially when you have like the simple, the no makeup look. It's so beautiful. I love it. So now I can't wait to try this shade. I'm putting everything in order, so when I'm editing the video, I'll put the name for you guys. I can't really see the names. I'll put the name for you guys on the screen so you guys know the shade that I'm wearing. So I'm gonna try this like a light pink color. It's really beautiful. So let's give this a try. It smells, oh, it's all like, it smells so beautiful. It smells so yummy. I feel like candies. I feel like if my kids smell this one, they're gonna think it's food, because it smells so beautiful. So let's give this one a try. It smells so nice, guys. This, oh, all of them smell so beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. Like, you can't tell me nothing. I pick up this MAC, this one at the dupe class. I picked this up for €20. So like, it's almost the same, but just that this one has some colors, and I really love the colors of this one. I really like it. I don't know. It's like I'm loving it. It's so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to like actually wear this outside. Tomorrow I'm going out with my girlfriends, so I can't wait to try this when I'm going out. I'm definitely gonna wear one of this lip gloss because it's so beautiful. It's so nice, and I really love it. So let's try this one. This one, it's so beautiful. They all kind of look like similar, but I actually have different colors, and this one is so beautiful. It's so nice. I love it. Oh, it smells like candy. Let's give this a try. It smells so good. Let's try this. It smells so good. I'm just gonna little by little, like, you can't tell me nothing. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Like, what's up? Like, it smells good, it looks good on the lips, it feels good on the lip, and it's very cheap. I've never really tried this brand. I've never really seen this brand on Bougie Shop or anywhere. The lady on the background looks so amazing. She looks cute. She looks beautiful. Like, girl, for this price, I wish I would have seen this lip gloss earlier before I went and pick up the one for €20. Because like, this is so cool. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. So now let's try the list, but not the last. Let's smell it first. I like to smell the color. I just like to smell it. Oh, they're all This one, it's like this one, like a sweet, like a certain sweet I used to eat when I was a little girl. That's how this one smells like. It smells so beautiful. It smells so good, and I love it. Let's give this a try. This one smells really nice. With this one, I'm going to try with a lip liner, just so I can show you guys when I'm going to wear it, how it's going to look like. Okay, so I'm just going to take my sponge, just going to like dab my lip, and then go in with my Kiko lip liner. Let's line the lip. Let's line the Kiko. I love the Kiko lip liner because it's such a beautiful brown. I'm not going to overline my lip because I already have a very full lip naturally. So now let's take this shade and let's do magic. I'm just gonna put little by little hairs. It's so beautiful. Wait, I wanna, oops. Just wanna try to, don't wanna mess up my clothes. Don't wanna mess up my clothes. Yeah, just take that lip gloss. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so cool. Let me wipe. I have like mess up with a lip gloss. Just wipe a little bit. Just take a little bit. Like, yo, this is how I'll be wearing it when I decide to wear it with lip liner. So this is it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Like, it's so beautiful. This is beautiful, girl. This is so cute. This is so beautiful. It's like, this is how I'm gonna wear it. So guys, so these are all the lip liners. These are all the lip glosses. This is, I started from here till here, so I'm going to try to put all the names for you guys in the screen so you guys know the shade. And of course, with the lip liner, it's so beautiful. I love that brown and then just that lip gloss with a shiny in the center. It's just so beautiful. So guys, this is it. If you have tried this brand, please let me know in the comment box, because for me it is my first time. Once in a while I go to the TK Maxx to just look around, because sometimes when you go there you can really catch some really good things, like really nice stuff, and this is one of them I really like. I saw some blushes I saw a whole blush palette from Elf's Cosmetics, but you guys know I'm not really a blush person. I have certain blushes that I don't use. I'm using them little by little, so I feel like I don't need to go and buy a bunch of blush. So yeah, I still do have a lot of blushes, so that's the reason why I don't buy blush. But yeah, I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. TeamFullest. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Let me know what you think about this makeup, my lip gloss, everything. If you want to see my outfit, follow me on my Instagram at Amifullest, and you guys are going to see the outfit and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en understanding, and hope ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Peace out. Bye. Doei.